Good morning, dear student. Today we will teach about how does a Zener diode voltage regulated in a circuit. Here, a DC power supply is used, and for variable potential we have such type of a RH which gives our variable potentials, and a Zener diode is reverse biased here, and the load resistance equal to RL. Now what will happen when first we will talk about what is the property of Zener diode. We know that Zener diode in forward bias is Zener diode behaves like just a normal diode, and but in reverse bias it drop suddenly value of currents at microamperes to milliamp when we used current corresponding to breakdown voltage, which is known as Vz. When the current pass through this circuit, then some potential which drop at R by Ohm's law V equal to R into I, and the rest of voltage will drop at load resistance RL. For example, if we input voltage V in is greater than Vz, in this condition the Zener diode comes in breakdown conditions, and it will start suddenly a huge amount of current, and because of this the current will pass through instead of load resistance whole current will pass through Zener diode. As a result of this, the current passes through R I RL equal to I minus IZ. Hence, the value of IZ is suddenly increased, so the current passed through a load resistance RL is suddenly drops out. As a result of this, the voltage V0, which is our output voltage, is suddenly dropped. Whenever whenever input voltage V in is less than Vz, then what will be happens in these conditions? The Zener diode will not reach at breakdown conditions, so whole amount of current pass through load resistance RL. As a result of this, the V0 equal to I into or IL into RL. The IL always equal to the amount of current which will pass through from here. So as we can see that the Zener diode gives a constant voltage V0, but there is never the mean of this, that if we for example, if I would apply V in equal to 3.5 volt and the voltage of Zener diode equal to Vz equal to 5.2 volt, there is no means that we will in this condition we will have the output V0 equal to Vz, because Zener diodes, the volt, just like the voltage, the amount of excess voltage with respect to Vz, that was dropped, never it increased the voltage. So if we have V in greater than Vz, then In this condition, we always have the value of Vz equal to 5.2 volt across this output. For example, if I have 6 volt, then we have it here 5.2 volt. If I have input 7 volt, we have 5.2 volt. If we have the 10 volt, we would have here at 5.2 volt. So it is easily we can understand how can it works in reverse bias. In next lecture, we will discuss about how can we find out the minimum value of RL and R for a desired value of Zener diode corresponding to any voltage in which we are interested. Thank you.